Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY corrector pen. So all you need is a bowl of water and a chisel marker. So you need to take off the nib like so, and also the ink cartridge or the ink carrier, and you can leave this overnight, and if not, then you need to squeeze off all the excessive ink off from the sponge like so. In between, you will also need to change your water like this, and after you're done with that, you need to squeeze off all the excessive water off from the cartridge, and gonna clean it really well so that there's no color left, especially on the nib. Now I'm gonna take that bowl again and some makeup remover, and I'm gonna fill the ink carrier from both the sides like this, and I'm also gonna dip the nib in that and leave it in there for some time. Once it's really soaked and filled with the makeup remover, you're just gonna put it back and kind of put some more makeup remover till it drips off, and then put it back. So we're just gonna take a demo of this. Generally the eyeliner goes pretty well, but at the time of the wing something like this happens, and oh my god, this is just going to be absolutely one of the best things you can do to do your winged eyeliner. This is totally reusable. You just need to clean the nib. I hope it proves out to be useful for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.